Yo, what's up, guys? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I trade supply and demand profitably. Okay, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to trade supply and demand level profitably. Okay, so let me go to a playing board and let me explain to you guys. Okay, so this is a playing board now. So, now a supply area is an area of resistance. Okay, so for example, let me draw a chart. So now let's say, for example, the market comes down and then goes up and then the market sells. Okay, so any level where the price sell from, any level where market sell from is called a resistance, and any level where price buy from is called a support. Okay, so now from what I just said, now looking at this chart I drew, you can spot here is an area of resistance. Okay, so this area here is an area of resistance. Okay, so what we will do is, after the market has reacted once, we will mark out the zone. Okay, so we'll mark out the zone, then we'll wait for price to come back to that same level. Okay, we'll wait for price to come back to that same level, and after price come back to that same level, what we'll do, we'll check for reactions. Okay, at this level here where the market previously sell from. So this level where the market previously sell from, we'll check for reaction and then we'll enter our trades and expect it to drop again. Okay, do you guys understand? Now I said a resistance area or a supply area is a level where price previously sell from. Okay, so price previously sell from, we'll mark it out and then we'll wait for market to come back to that level, and then after confirming the trade, what we have to do, we will have to enter our sell at the resistance here, and then we will target the support level for take profit. Okay, so this is an example of a resistance. Okay, I'll still show you guys on the chart, but let me first of all explain like this so you guys will understand well. So now that's for resistance. Okay, so for support, any level where price buy from is called a support level. Now check this out. Okay, so we can clearly see that at this point here the market went up. Okay, so the market went up from this level. So what we'll do, we'll mark it out and wait for price to come back to that zone. Okay, so this zone here is called a support. So what we'll do, when price come back to our support level, okay, so we'll check for reactions. Okay, so we'll check for reactions and then we'll enter our trade. We'll enter our trade from this level here, place our stop loss below the zone, and then place our take profit at the nearest resistance. Okay, so let me go to chart and let me explain more to you guys so that you guys can understand clearly. Okay, so we see here is a clear example of a resistance. Okay, so here now the market sold massively from this point. Do you guys see? So what we'll do, we'll mark out this point. Okay, so we'll mark out this point. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll mark out this point and then we'll wait for price to come back to the level. Okay, so we see how price came back to the level, and then you see the massive sell. You see the way the market drop massively. So what we do when we see that the market is back to this zone, what we have to do, wait and check for reactions around this level. Reactions such as candlestick rejection, candlestick wick rejection, okay, and also some kind of bearish pattern. Okay, so at this main level here, this area, we can see this area is an area of resistance, and then from here we see how the market sold massively. Okay, so we see how the market sold massively from that level. Okay, so let me also show you guys an example when it comes to support. So here now is a support level. As you can see, we can see this support level here where the market previously fly from. Okay, so what I will do if I were you, I will mark this zone out. Okay, this zone where the market previously buy from, so we'll mark out the zone. So after marking out the zone, we'll wait for price to come back to this level here. We'll wait for price to come back to this level, and then we'll enter our buy trades. Sorry guys, we'll wait for market to come back to this zone, and then at this level you can notice the candlestick rejection here. Okay, so we see this candlestick rejection at this support level. So after this candlestick rejection, we can then enter our trade, and then you see the way the market spiked all the way up. Okay, so you can close some of your trades at this level, and then you can close some at this upper level here. Okay, so let me show you guys more examples of support and resistance. Okay, so here is another example of support. Okay, so we see how the market previously fly from this zone. So what we'll do, we'll mark the zone out. Okay, so we'll mark the zone out, and then when markets come back to the zone, what we have to do, we have to check for reaction patterns. Okay, so we see the way this candlestick rejected at this level, and then from this level we'll enter our buy trade, and this trade will make a massive profit from this trade. Okay, so from here you make a massive profit. From here to here you make a massive profit from there. Okay, so guys, let me show you more examples. So if you remembered, I flipped two accounts. Okay, I flipped two accounts with this simple resistance. So here we can see this resistance here. We see how the market previously sold from this zone. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to mark it out. You mark the zone out, and then you wait for market to come back to that level. Okay, so you wait for market to come back to that level, and then when markets come back to that level, and then you notice the candlestick rejections on the level, then you enter your sell, and you see that the market drop. See how the market drop massively. So this is an example of resistance. Okay, so this is how we trade support and resistance profitably. Okay, so now let me show you guys another sharp example. Okay, so we see this zone here where the market previously buy from massively. Okay, So this level, the market spiked up massively. So from here now, you mark this zone out. Okay, so you mark this level out like this, and then after marking the level out, if you watch some of my videos, you see these are the kind of trades I use in flipping small forex accounts. Okay, so these are the kind of trade I use in flipping small forex accounts. So you mark this zone out, and then you wait for price to come back to that zone. Okay, and don't forget, for this strategy to work very well, you have to work with high time frame like 1 hour and 4 hours time frame. Okay, so when markets come back to this level, after seeing the reaction here, okay, so you go to lower time frame and you check for reaction, and then from here you can enter your buy trades from this zone, and then you place your stop loss below the level, and then you see how the market just kept going up. This one, you set your take profit at this highest resistance here, and this trade you make a very big profit. Yeah, this kind of trade you make a very big profit. Okay, so guys, this is how we trade supply and demand levels. Okay, so this is how I trade supply and demand levels. So guys, it is very easy as that. Okay, so this is how we trade supply and demand level. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, I would like you to subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, and also to join my Telegram channel where I share free 90% accurate forex signal daily. Check on this video link description. I'll be dropping it there. Okay, thank you guys. I love you guys so much, and I want to see you guys win. That's why I decided to share this secret with you guys. Okay, see you guys on my next video. Thanks.